last video we talked about central tendency or measure of center. Today we're going to talk about how to find or calculate those. For example, find the mean, median, and mode of the following data sets. So again, let's recall what is the meaning of those. So mean, we call it arithmetic mean, or simply we call it average. Arithmetic means why? Because we are analyzing numbers only. Okay, so no variable, so that's arithmetic mean. And again, same as average. So how do we calculate? We add all the number and divide by number of numbers. Next, median. So median, we organize from smallest to largest or least to greatest, or you can do other way around also. And if data set is odd number, we have 1 in the middle. If data set is even number, we have 2 in the middle. So if 1 in the middle, you know that is your median. If 2 number in the middle, that means you have to find the mean of that 2 number again, then we will have our median. Next, mode. So mode is the number shows up most in this data set. If any number shows up most, that is going to be your mode. Sometimes we have no number repeats more than once, so that means we have no mode. Sometimes we have multi-mode. Okay, all right, so let's actually look into this one here. Find the mean. So basically we're going to add all of them. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9. And earlier we said, well, we just divide by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Divide by 7. And we can just add all of them on the top. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 is 14, 6, 20, 29, then 34, then 46. 46 over 7. And you can have your calculator if you want, right? You can have your calculator and check it out with the calculator, and you're going to have the same thing. 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9, enter, 46. Now divide by 7, which gonna give us 6.57. So approximately, now I want to use not this one, I'm going to use approximately 6.57. That is our mean, arithmetic mean, or middle of that data set. Okay, next thing we're going to do, finding the median. So median, again, you organize from least to greatest. So if you clearly see, 4 is our smaller number, so we put down 4 first, and the next one we put down 5, we cross out. These are the next number, so 5, 5, and the next number is 6, and then we have 8, and then we have a 9, 9. Okay, let's take a look here. So there is, well, you can do traditional way. You just go left to right, you cross it out, cross it out like that, 1 each, and you clearly see 1 in the middle. Or some will say, you know what, I know there is a 7 number, 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5, and it's got to be the 4th number. So you can do that also. 1, 2, 3, 4th. That number is fall into that. So that is your median. So our median is equal to, in this case, is 6. Okay, very lovely. Okay, now the mode. So if you look into the mode, right, I mean, we're going to have to look into the number again. So what are the numbers up there? Okay, what are the numbers? So basically we check out the numbers and see any number repeats more than once. So clearly we see 5, and also we see 9 and 9. So guess what? Our mode is 5 and 9. We have two mode. We have this time two mode. Okay, let's take a look on the next example. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing again. I'm gonna make it a little bit quicker on this one actually. Okay, so the mean is basically we're gonna add all of them, 11 plus 19 plus 15 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 10 plus 1. Again, note that this is a quiz to score and these are the score, and there is a 1 you see. That is also important number. Okay, and sometimes you're going to see 0. That is also is going to be important. You have to include that also. I wish I had 0 up there actually. So you have to count that number too, because if someone showed up and first time and have no idea what's going on in the class and give me blank paper, of course it's going to be 0. So that will have to be counted also. Divided by how many numbers? So we're going to check out 1 number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. So we're going to have 8 numbers. And again, you use your calculator, and most probably if you add all these 11, 19, 15, 18 plus 18, 18, 10, 1, its total is 110. 110 over clearly is 8. And now you can take a look on a calculator. So if you divide 110, 110 divided by 8, it gives you 13.75. 13.75. 13.75. That's the mean for this data set. Okay, now we're going to take a look on median. So how do you look into median? We're going to organize from smallest to largest. So we're going to cross out 1, and the next number I can see 10, and next number I see 11, and next number I see 15, and next number I see 18, 18, 18, 3 number 18, 18, 18, and another one is 19. So we double check always. Did you check those out? We have to include all of them. So I clearly have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So I organize them. Again, it's up to you. If data set is too big, you should probably go like this way. Whatever total number n divided by 2, and you just go onto that one and next one. If you divide, for example, how many numbers total? 8 numbers. So it's going to be even number. So there's 2 numbers going to be. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So it's going to be 4 and 5th number. So 1, 2, 3, 4th and 5th. So these 2 numbers will fall into the middle. So that will become our median. So median is somewhere here. Median is somewhere here. I want to tell you that somewhere here. So how do you figure that out now? So we have to add those now. 15 plus 18 divided by 2. And let's see what we get here. 15 plus 18, which is 33, divided by 2 is 16.5. 16.5. Okay, so that's the median actually. Okay, now the mode. So now clearly you're going to look into the mode here. So what is the mode? So is there any number showed up more than once? So let's take a look here. So I see, yeah, there is a number shows up more than one. As a matter of fact, it's easy to figure out. Why? Because there is that 18, 18, 18. So that's only one number shows up most, which is 18. In this case is our median. Good.